So good day everyone, so my name is Glenn S. Cabanas. So I'm here to discuss about the preservations of SIS caller ID devices and other similar devices. So first is SIS caller ID. So what is SIS caller ID? So this typically refers to situations where the caller ID information is displayed on a phone or device is being blocked or restricted by the telephone service or service provider. So SIS caller ID, it is very helpful as a investigator. It is because it helps us to hide our to hide our contacts para dili ma-identify sa suspect kung kinsa datong contacts, or para ma-hide nato atong mga numbers na dili dapat ihatag bisig unsa. So next is knowing about the SIS caller IDs can be important in criminology for several reasons. So there are 4 reasons. So first is the investigative purposes. Next is tracking criminals network. Third is legal and ethical implications. And last is the technologies and security. So first I discuss is investigative purposes. So SIS caller ID is very helpful in investigative purposes because we all know that if because of SIS caller IDs, we can help or we can solve easily the crime. For example, it can help to locate the suspect, and it can help kung kinsa ang mga contact sa suspect. So next is tracking criminal network. So from the word tracking, so ibig sabihin dito, tracking is it help us to locate the suspect easily. Next is legal and ethical implications. So legal and ethical implications, so as a criminal investigator, dapat taguan nato atong mga contacts para dili makuha sa lain, para dili makuha sa atong kontra or something na maka-help or para dili makuha sa lain itong mga important na mga details nato sa atong cellphone or any technology. So next is technology and security. From the word technology and security, for example, ni kay mga cellphone, laptop, or any gadget na similar siya sa SIS caller ID. So muna akong i-discuss. So first is similar devices to SIS caller ID devices may include, so there are 7. So first is cell phones, second is smartphone, third is tablet, fourth is computer, fifth is VoIP devices, sixth is the wiretapping equipment, and lastly is the GPS tracker. So first is cell phone and smartphone. So cell phone is very helpful to know or to help us to locate easily the suspect, and same with the smartphone. So next is tablet. So also tablet is very helpful to solve the crime because we can download some apps to identify or to help the crime or to help or to solve easily the crime or to identify the suspect easily. So next is computer. So we all know that computers is common kay siya karon nagalamiton sa mga suspect or sa mga common din nato galamiton nato ni para ma-identify nato dayon ang kung kinsa ang suspect. Dili ra nato but also helpful ni mga suspect para malukit sad taas investigator. So next is VoIP devices. So VoIP devices mo ni katong mga record kana if for example nanawag ka or nakikatawag, malukit nato kung kinsa atong kaistorya, kung asa dapit atong kaistorya. So next is wiretapping equipment. So wiretapping equipment is same ni siya sa CCTV, but ang kalahian lang niya kay makabaluta mura siya dako kay siyang screen gani or dako siya na TV. Dira nato lang taon kung kinsa ang mga nanawag, kinsa ang mga ni contact, unsang orasaha, mo na wiretapping equipment. So next is GPS tracker. So mo na we all know that GPS tracker is most common ni siya nagalamiton para matrack nato kung asa dapit ang atong suspect or asa dapit ang suspect or asa dapit gapuyo or asa dapit na ron. For example, na ay mga suspect na nangawat og cellphone. So for the use of GPS tracker, it very helpful para masundan nato na anang persona kung asa siya dapit. So that's all for my part. So ihatag na ko ang laing topic sa akong classmates. So thank you.